a Gucci, jump in a Versace. My ass goes big, I was up on my body.
Oh la la, a young lad.
I'm using a flashlight. Okay. Guys, you can't have to take out my light or something about it. Anyways, is that okay? I feel like that's okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody? That's scrap that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody? I'm feeling good. Today's my first day back to school. I'm kind of late. My class starts at 8 o'clock. It is now, it is now, I don't know. I don't know what time now. But I know I'm late. We're going to leave because, as I say, I'm late. It's my first day. This class that I have, it is split in two. So like I have this class today, but then I have it tomorrow again. At first I thought I had like 3 different class, right? But it's like the lecture. Normally we have 2 hour lectures. So like this lecture is split in two. So I have one 8 o'clock this morning. Then can I just put the two of them tomorrow at the same time? Because I have this one, I think it's 2 hours. It's in the evening. I'm feeling sad and I'm trying my, because even with my videos like last week, I was going to delete my entire YouTube, right? Not last week, sometime I was going to delete my entire YouTube, and like me I say, Patrice, stop making emotions rule you. No one in the time for your emotions are rule you. Yes, it's gonna come, you have your episodes, but you can't make it constantly and make you feel like say, oh, you have to withdraw yourself from society. Right? So I was going to like delete my like everything off my YouTube, everything off my TikTok, and like clear my entire existence from the world. But I was like, no, you can't be doing that. You need to stop that. You want to go in a life, but every time your emotions and get too much, you just lock with yourself. You just stop do everything. Stop communicating with people. You clear everything. You're not gonna see grow up, baby girl. You're not gonna see it. So I have to tell myself like to just leave it, like just make it stay, make it go on. What the worst can happen? Like what the worst can happen? Like I did anyways. So yeah, that's what I have to tell myself. But today we're gonna change that. I was just going to go to class and just sit down and soak, but we're gonna do things. I tell myself say we're gonna do things. I'm gonna like I want to keep myself busy, want to keep my mind occupied, want to keep my mind on run. And that is why I feel like how I am as a person, like I love to do things, like I love have something to do, right? Not work, like fun things. So the thing is, I feel like with that being said, why I love doing things is that I sit down on my head too much. I see the second I sit down on my head, may I go through one go spiraling and there's literally nothing. The only thing that I can say correlates is probably the birthday of my uncle that died, but that gone. And the thing is, I'm trying to move on from that, not from his death, but like from the fact that may I make it affect me so much. Cool. Anyways, what may I say? Um, the second I don't know, I keep myself occupied. I'm sitting on my head, I think about the worst possible things. And then there's this other old, I'm not personal, kind of it just it's not affecting me directly, but it's an indirect impact on my life. So there's this thing happening in my life, and like I just want it to go away. And like the more I pray for it go away, it's like the more it come. I mean I know the more I'm pray for this thing to just stop. And I don't want to wish death on nobody, and I am not the person to wish death on anyone, and I will never wish death on anyone. But like the more I pray for this thing, just soups, it go blah, 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 blah. I mean, I don't know what to do with myself, and it's like I am not being affected by it directly, right? Because I can't allow myself to stress out. I don't know if I'm telling myself I'm sick. No, it don't really matter. But I can't afford stress. Like I really actually can't afford stress. See me? So it's not something affecting me directly, but like when it do come in my ears, it affect me so much. I feel a certain type of rage. I want to just roll about and lick somebody for 6. Like I don't know what I actually don't know, but I don't want to feel anger. And like you know you must express your emotions or whatever, but I don't want to feel anger. I don't want to, because when anger consumes me, you're the worst possible person ever, right? And I don't want to be that. I want to be the best version of myself. And as I said, I can't afford stress. I can't afford stress. I'm not want to be angry. I'm not want to be a bad person. But this damn thing, it won't go away. Look at that. I decided to walk because Uber one charge $1,000. We're not doing that. I'm late at 8 o'clock now. I'm gonna leave earlier. Come here, snap. So I just had my first class. I am going to do some like planning. I'm hosting. That's a big word. That's my friends and I were having like a little picnic, and I am kind of like in charge of planning. You know, actually, I like to have control of creative things, but I don't really like plan no. So when we one idea we have, you know, I don't know if you guys have ever seen the whole where the couple then split the page and everybody let them color and then join it back together. So what I am thinking to do is like split the page into six because there's six of us. Everybody color one part of it. So I'm gonna try if I do that right now. I was given homework a while ago, but the homework I just said thing with the course online and mm, mm, I'm going to do it. Not today. I'm really not here for that way because it's already there. So let's go like rewrite it in a book. I have been trying to do this and in our chat. Oh my god, I'm so smart. Like, I don't know if only can see it. Come change the color of the light. Hopefully, only can see the pink something. I did it. I fixed it. So now we need to print six of this and put it back in a black. I'm such a smart girl. I'm so tired. My next class is at 3. It's now 1:52. 3 to 5, and then I will go home. Anyways, part of my preparation for my picnic concert today is these things. I printed them. So I just said a couple color thingy, but finally find a way to make it. So we did make it, and you can see the line running down. They will cut them, and everyone get piece, everyone color it, and then we will put it back together. Well, if you want to put it back together, put it back together. If you want to keep it, then keep it. But for me, I'm not gonna like put it back together and just have the entire picture, but it's actually going to go into my scrapbook. So like every probably 2 per page, yeah. So I'm gonna my scrapbook. The entire day is going to go in my scrapbook as a matter of fact. So I love pancake. Okay, I love pancake. I like the box pancake down here for like 1,800, 600, 2,000. Somebody go at the new supermarket at St. Thomas. I'm gonna see one big everlasting bag of pancake for $1,800. So I asked my cousin for buy for the pancake, and I was like, she give me the ball. I was like, the pancake heavy. I was in there. Ah! 10 pound of pancake mix. And trust me, I say if I never done nothing in my life, never done this. I love pancake. And like me get the pancake and all I think about is my dinner for later, which is pancake. Something I've started and it's like this is like the second day, but I feel very, very good doing it. Is that I will like turn on my devices, like disconnect with the world. Right, and I love that. I love that so much. So yeah, being that I'm not really do not know, I'm just sitting and digest my food. I am actually going to do my problem set for one of my queries to be ahead of time. Cause tutorials doesn't start until the third week, but I'm still gonna do the problem set. Cause I'm just sitting here and digest my food. I actually do have things to do, so I'm just what I'm gonna do, what many to do. I'm gonna do the problem set now. Well, part of the problem set because it's actually a very long problem set, so I'm gonna start it now. And like the key I'm actually learning today in my head. Yeah, so we're going to do that. My hard chat. There's a phone above my head, but you don't really give much. But yeah, we're going to do that. I can't find two things. The starting of the semester. I can't find my calculator, and I can't find my L card. So in my head, I say, where my calculator there? My L card there. Is it me? Is it me? Many of us seal the miracle, I never seal them, and I throughout the day, remember, so I never seal them. It's actually pretty early. It's 6:36, but I'm gonna go back online by like 8 o'clock. But as of now, no, and well, I have internet on my laptop, but it's just like there's no social media, there's no WhatsApp, no Instagram, no TikTok. It's just me and myself sitting on my thoughts. And you know the controversy of this video earlier, I said, oh, I know what in my thoughts, but TikTok, WhatsApp, all I kind of like feed it to what is happening. So here. We're gonna do our work. We're going to edit. So I just spend time like roughly 2 hours a edit. Honestly, that cool. Why? So I was trying to use something, and I saw a particular thing came up. I was like, "Come and try export the video." But then even finish edit the video, my vibe just broke. I'm gonna say, you know what? Come on, my bed. Million of this. Million of this. Not tonight. Because, like, what kind of sorcery that is? What kind of sorcery is that? And it's like me and say scrap that entire video and then just do something different to like just go to that video you may record now. But me not know. Because I'm corrupt, my dark right now because I mean you know much in time and effort and consideration I put into that. All of this is say it can't we can't exploit it.